Hello my beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video I will be sharing with you guys how I make my own liquid fertilizer so we can save a lot of money, and also how I use it in my garden. So stay tuned, I will show you step by step what I do. But first we need to take a trip. Let's go. So I just got here to the thrift store and I have this idea that I am hoping that I'm going to find what I'm looking for my garden, because the cost of fertilizer is just ridiculously high. I mean, there is a fertilizer that I use and I purchased it not even quite 2 months ago. The fertilizer went from $55, okay, to $90 yesterday. I can't afford it, and for the amount of vegetables that I grow, that's just going to be too costly for me. Like, I may as well go to the store and purchase vegetables, because the reason why I'm growing all these vegetables, one of the reasons is to save us a lot of money on vegetables, on food, and also to make sure that we are eating quality vegetables. That's why I'm doing this. And well, two of the reasons. And then two, it helps me with my mental health. Like, it just helps relax me. But the cost is just becoming ridiculous, you know, with fertilizer and everything else. So I'm hoping that I can find me a blender. And guess what? I found one at the thrift store, exactly what I was looking for. I paid $11 for it. So now let's get started. So I got this. I went to the fish market and they gave me some scraps. So I had to buy one piece of fish for them to give me some fish scraps. They were having an issue about it because the manager didn't want to be in trouble and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, they went ahead and gave me some fish scraps, and then I had a bag of fish in my freezer that was $4 some change. I said, you know what, I am going to use this. It's way cheaper than paying $90 for some fertilizer right now. So anyway, all we're going to do, we're going to use this blender to blend things so that our plants their roots can absorb it faster instead of just burying the fish. And it's going to take longer for it to break down in the soil. So that's what we are going to be doing. Not only are we going to use fish, but we're also going to use some other stuff. You got to stay tuned for that. So anyway, we're just going to blend up the fish, add some water to it, blend it up smoothly. You don't have to blend it up. If you don't have a blender, you can chop it up. But from my experiences over the years, I'd rather blend it because, you know, it processes faster in the ground. So this is how I use it. I use it on all my plants, but first, you guys know I always use neem seed meal all over in my garden to help prevent pests, and it also helps to fertilize the soil. So I just go ahead and pour it in there. I'm going to do one of this tomato plant, the same tomato plant, one with my fertilizer and one without my fertilizer. So that's it, guys. I use it on all my plants. Save yourself a lot of money and make your own fertilizer. You can do it. If I can do it, you can.